To help you understand the operation of the electric motor, we've created this model that simulates the operation. In purple here, you can see the coil of wire. Electricity comes in from one side, the current will flow in a loop. So in this case, if we assume the current is flowing this way on the top, it's going to be coming back the opposite direction on the bottom. It's coming around in the loop. Eventually it comes out the other side here. We have a magnet on the bottom. This entire table would be a gigantic magnet. The magnetic field goes just one direction through the coil itself. Just for simplicity, let's say we have magnetic field upward. We have upward magnetic field through the entire coil. So in this case, if we have a coil of wire with current flowing this direction, by the right-hand rule, current would be flowing with put my thumb going this direction. Magnetic field is up. What's the direction of the force? It's pushing this way. On the top, it's going to be pushing toward me. On the bottom, current goes the opposite direction. Magnetic field is still up. Force goes this direction. So the top is pushed toward me, the bottom is pushed away from me. Therefore, we get the spinning motion. The problem is you can't keep the same direction of force the whole time. If we have the wires on the ends sanded all the way around, as the coil moves through the bottom of its rotation, the force is going to keep going the same direction. It's pushing toward me on the top. It would still be pushing toward me on the bottom because the current's still going the same direction. So it would come back. It would push this way, push that way. It's like it's playing tetherball. It's going to push this direction, that direction. On the bottom side, I have current going this direction. It's going to push away from me. Once it gets to the top, current's going the same direction. It's still going to push away from me. Force would still be the same direction. So the way to get an electric motor to work is we have to shut off the current through half the rotation. We have the top side gets pushed toward me. There's force, force, force. Then it stops. Stop, let it coast. Let it come around the bottom. Now it comes through here. Now it's going to get force again. It's going to go push, 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 stop. Let it coast. Push, stop. Let it coast. Doing that, now we have an electric motor. Now it's going to be working. The coil on the bottom side is going the opposite way. It gets pushed toward me when it's active. Then it stops. Let it coast around the top. Push away from me. Stop, push, stop, like so.